All right, this is a Generac 22 kW, and I believe they said it wasn't working. Ooh. Okay, this looks like it's new. How can this ready to run? Well, system, no, I want submenus. It's so cold, it takes a while for them to blink. Submenus. History. Alarm log. RPM sense loss, 1505. Well, no rotation warning. Boy, this is beginning to sound familiar. No rotation, no rotation. RPM sense loss, no rotation, no rotation, no rotation, no rotation, no rotation, no rotation, no rotation. Wow, this goes on and on forever and ever. Oh, wait, I think it's all low battery. When the hell was this thing installed? Low battery, RPM sense loss. So, got a little bit of oil. Of course, usually do on these, the ones with the oil coolers. Almost always. Well, actually, I haven't seen one that didn't leak a little oil. So, I want to go back out. I want to escape. There's the alarm log. I want to check the run log. When's the last time it did run? Stopped in auto. What was that? 4 days ago. And switched to off. Somebody did that. Stopped alarm. Stopped auto. Run another exercise. Let me see. So if it started at 1930 and it stopped in auto, so it's running a 5-minute exercise. This is one of those ones with a front panel. And I was talking before, I found a bolt in there and I installed it there on another unit. Oh, look. I need another bit for my... Geez, maybe I can find some more screws. I think I used up all but one of the ones that I found. So anyways, let's see what we got for oil. Ugh. Hey, I can't even see it. That looks perfect. Perfect color, perfect level. What could be wrong with this thing? Come on. Ugh. So let's see what she does. There's that. I like to watch that. I'm gonna shut it off. And I'm gonna do a manual start. I'm gonna shut that off. I don't get it. This is another one of those with the that thing not tacked down. But that's actually sounding like a bad battery. And it's got all the... So I'm gonna quit filming. I'm going to check the battery. I'll take that apart. And when I start it, I'll do a part 2. I got to get a better camera.